Each of us begins our individual life as a fertilized egg or zygote. Via the reproductive organs, the female produces an egg cell, also called an ovum or gamete, and the male produces the fertilizing seed cell, also called a spermatozoon or sporophyte. When they fuse into one cell, the zygote, all of the necessary means and information required for the growth of a mature man or woman are present, and with the proper nutrition and care, we are the result. In this program, we will examine the male and female reproductive systems, fertilization, pregnancy, and lactation. Our reproductive system is unique. Unlike other organ systems, the circulatory and digestive systems, for example, the reproductive system is largely inactive until puberty, and is also the only organ system that is different in the male and female. Although the objective for both male and female reproduction is to create a new individual, the means by which this is accomplished, as well as the workload, varies significantly between the two sexes, as we shall see. The organs of the male reproductive system include the penis, scrotum, testes, duct system, and glands. The female reproductive system includes the vulva, or external genitalia, vagina, cervix, uterus, ovaries, fallopian tubes, and mammary gland. During sexual intercourse, about 4 milliliters of semen, containing as many as 400 million sperm cells, are deposited in the female's vagina. Most of these sperm will die within 48 hours. If fertilization takes place, the sperm usually meet the ovum in the fallopian tube, requiring the sperm cells to swim from the upper vagina through the cervix and across the length of the uterus before reaching the fallopian tube, a considerable distance compared to the size of the sperm cell. Once the ovum fuses with a single sperm cell, its cell membrane changes, preventing fusion with other sperm. This process ultimately leads to the formation of a cell called a zygote, the union of an ova and a sperm. Within hours of fertilization, the zygote begins to develop and travels along the fallopian tube, reaching the uterus in approximately 3 days. When the zygote reaches the uterus and implants in the endometrium, the female is said to be pregnant. All of us begin life as a zygote, a single fertilized cell. Contained in this one cell are all the necessary instructions or recipes for building a unique human being, as well as all the tools and materials required to get the job done. Every organ system that we have studied in this series has its origins in this one cell. And as we have seen, the human reproductive system is responsible for its creation and initial nurturing.
There's a dreamy world up there. Dear friends in higher places, carry me away from here. Travel light, let the sun eclipse you, 'cause your flight is about to